this is our video. Today we're gonna make snow slime. We need glue, we need starch, and we need some like a pretend snow. So first of all, we're gonna empty this glue. I don't know how to open this. Okay, I'm just gonna pour this maybe. Oh yeah, this is coming. This is coming. I'm going to open this up. So how do I? Oh. Yeah, this is more faster. Oh yeah, I did it. There's so much glue in here that it's gonna be a lot of glue. I think this is enough. This is empty now. This is hard to open. It smells like vinegar, but it's not vinegar, it's starch. Whoa. So I have to put the Well, this is weird. Next, you're gonna mix this over like this. I didn't know how to mix it, so I'm gonna mix it. Ooh, this is so slimy now. I think it's done now. Oh. It's like a doodle.
You can use your hand.
I can use my hand to mush it. I'm gonna mush it. I'm scared. I don't want my hand to be there. But I have to. Okay. Ew. This is actually fun. It's so slimy and mushy. This is really slimy and it's really stretchy now. I think it's almost about to be slime. Washing my hands with slime. Whoa. This is really slimy, and this is really slimy. This is really yucky, but I have to do it for slime. I know that I'm gonna cut this and pour some snow in here. Like, this is not actual snow, but I'm gonna cut this. so we can play a little bit. So let's make a story about it. Once upon a time, there's a little penguin like this penguin. He was hopping to go to his grandma's house until he jumped in a pile of snow and he swam. He got all snowed up. And then the wind came. It blew almost all the snow. He didn't know what to do with all the snow. He can't go like this with his grandma. Oh no, there's a snow pile and then there's a snowstorm. Wow, this is amazing. A snowstorm is cool. But I'm still getting buried up with all the snow. It gets a lot. And then he looks down. Hey, that was a lot of snow. I'm gonna go to the grandpa's house. He did. When he came, his grandpa was surprised. Hey, what are you doing with this? You're so dirty. I'm gonna clean you up. Thanks, Daddy. Thanks, Grandpa. He has like a hat and then I paired it with snow. Thanks, Grandpa. So he swam and then he swam until all the snow was gone. Wow, this is like a bubble. So I'm gonna put some more snow in here to make it look like bubbles. Oh, this is amazing, right? This is amazing. The end. Bye bye, guys. I hope I can meet you again. Bye bye.